Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. It is Fortnite Friday, and of course we are building something Fortnite related. It's getting closer to Easter, and I thought, why not make an Easter build? And there's only really one possible thing that comes into mind with Fortnite and Easter. Yeah, the Rabbit Raider, which is basically a Halloween mask, a Jason mask, a hockey mask, whatever you want to call it, just paint it up. We could easily just paint this, but the holes are in the wrong spot. It's a cheap, flimsy plastic, and it's not really shaped right. So we are going to make one out of foam. I'm going to template it up for you guys so you've got all that stuff in the right spot and you don't have to guess at it. Let's make the Rabbit Raider mask from Fortnite.
Let's get to building.
We are finished. Wait. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Overall, not too bad. I will say that it's probably a bit bigger than it should be. Even for my head, it's a little bit too big. So you could definitely resize this, shrink down the template just a little bit, and make it an appropriate size for however big your head is. But overall, not too bad. Most of the build went into painting it, so fairly pleased with the way the paint job turned out. While yes, it's not exact, it is close enough in my personal opinion. I did use some jersey for the back, like I showed you in the video, and then this elastic strap to strap it on. So maybe you will try and make one of these Rabbit Raider masks yourselves and intimidate the Easter Bunny when he doesn't bring you the toys and candy that you want. Yeah, watch yourself. Maybe you'll get some...
Yay!
And inevitably they're gonna ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props.